Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a notebook on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and go to the stationery button. Scroll down and click to the notebook option next to the diary. Here you have more chance if you want to add pictures to your project. Just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, grids and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design button and just select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click that, delete, write your text and done. You can change the style of your text. Just click to the arrow next to the Bobby Jones text style name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it and done. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.